everyone. So we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the first week of October, so the September 30th to October 6th in my catch-all planner, and we are in a brand new planner. As you can tell, I've already put down the date strip, or not the date strips, but the little headers from the kit. And the kit I'm going to be using is this kit from Wonder Stickers Co. It is a TBC Nation kit. I don't know if you can still get this. I believe you can. If you can, I'll link it down in the description box below. But this is the kit we're going to be using. Of course, I have my date dots here from the penny pages. I have my Mandy Lynn Plans Weeks stickers, and then I have my Tipsy Dog Designs stickers as well. So we're gonna just jump right on into it. So I'm gonna take, I think, this guy, this one here, and we're just gonna put it up here. We're gonna turn it. Yeah. So how are you guys doing? I'm doing pretty good. Excited to be in a new planner again. Let's see, Tuesday. So definitely excited. And then this is the penny pages. The planner is from the penny pages, and it is the Pentrix Planner. The planner I used before this one was the TPC Nation planner. And TPC Nation is no longer open, but the planner was technically from the penny pages as well. It was just a collab. So I'm definitely excited to have this one. As you can tell though, that these boxes are rounded still. They're not square. It's because I'm using up what I have. But that is okay. We will make do with what we have. I'm not really mad about it. Do I wish I had square boxes? Yes. But I'm still gonna use what I have. Okay. And my last two subjects here, instead of having film and YouTube, they are going to be health and ideas for now. But my first category is household. My second is for my daughter. Looks like I need to get another one of these out. I finished off a sticker sheet. The third category is for myself and my husband. We are going to be doing health. Health I'm going to be doing as like routines and such, as well as tracking some health and ideas. I haven't quite figured out, but if I'm not near my social media planner, I think I'm going to use this planner. I'm going to zoom you guys out just a hair. There we go. So that's how we're going to do that. And then we're going to put these up here, and then we'll start going by the day by day. Because this week is not really busy, but my husband comes home technically. Well, actually not technically, he will be home tomorrow afternoon. because I'm filming this on the 29th, and you guys will see this on later on in the day. I'm filming kind of late. If you hear my daughter, she is in the background. We're just going to put down some full boxes on her little thing, because I can. I do actually kind of need to move this one. No, I don't, because it's only second. Okay. Oh, I have my scripts here from Black Mountain Plans. If you use Amy B20, you can get 20% off of your order. So tomorrow, Monday, is always trash day. So we're gonna make sure we have trash day down. And I change wax. On Mondays. And I think, yeah. And then on Wednesday, we're gonna do a Sam's run and a next run. I don't know when I'm gonna be mowing my grass this week, because we just have been getting hit with rain, so don't know that. Friday, I want to wash my daughter's bedding and clothes. Friday, because on Saturday I need to change sheets and do laundry. And with my husband coming home, he's gonna need a bunch of his stuff washed. So I'm gonna be doing that. The haircuts at 9:30. Okay, so at 9:30, my daughter has a haircut. And that's really all I have for her this week right now. And then 9:30, I have a haircut. And then my husband comes home tomorrow. So I'm gonna put that down. And then, let's see. I don't think we have anything else going on that week, or anything else at the end of this week, but I am definitely going to try to hit the gym 4 days this week, as I want to to get back into it. And then like 10 of those. Well, we're gonna try to do like a extra little exercise every day. So I'll probably do cardio 3 times a week, but do a small little exercise every day. Oops. I want to do this here. Go. Here. And then ideas, I will, when I come up with stuff that I want to get done, or if I start reading a book or something, I'm going to definitely put it down there. But ultimately, actually, I do have something I need to do tomorrow. I need to go to the library, if possible. And we're going to go a second time this week. We'll go on Friday, I think. And then I'm hoping, you know, I'm gonna put it down. Because I do it twice a week. Try to do my backyard on Friday and try to do my front yard here. And then that is all I have for this plan with me. I'm gonna try to make my plan with me's kind of quick. Let me know down in the comments though if you like seeing me put down the strips, or if you like it being this way where it kind of just do it and be done with it. Either way, it won't hurt my feelings. Just let me know down in the comments. And I will see you guys next week in the next one. Bye.